Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS structures, okay, in which we were discussing about different creating different forms of structure like beams and columns, creating different sections, understanding the location of a section, orientation of a section. So today we will be discussing about some spatial structures. In sections you have option called spatials, and we will check a standard spatial structure. Let us create one structure, spatial, and let us create one framework in that structure, say simple structure. Okay, and then what we will do is we will go to create sections and go for spatials. So there are various options which are available with the spatial structures. We will start with the regular structure. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about the regular structure. Whenever you get into the regular structure, you will find these options which are already there. Okay, so these will be blank. Okay, so you need to have a storage area for columns, you need to have storage area for beams, and then we have to specify the various profiles for storage of the various profiles for beams and columns. Okay, so what we will do is we will just create some storage areas in same framework. I will create two sub frameworks. One is for columns and one is for beam. Sorry, beam underscore simple and column underscore simple. So I will select this column, go to storage area and type CE, that is current element will be applied as a storage area for column. You can check names, column underscore simple. Same thing, I will select beams, go to storage area option, type CE, enter. Both the storage areas is now listed under the storage area. Then you can go and select the profile for the section. So for columns, let us say I'm going for British standards universal columns, and you can have different specification for the universal column. I'm going for 254 cross 254 I section, and I'm not changing any settings for planes P line settings, because columns we don't basically change. For beams we basically go for the top of steel, so that everything will be matched with the column. Okay, so I'm going with 254. Beam data I will change to less than 254, so that is 203. So I will go with 203, and in justification you can make sure that it is on top of steel, so that the P line of that column sorry beam will be matching the top of your column section. Okay, for that, and then you can say apply and dismiss. Now both the specifications are done, profiles are done, both storage areas are done. There is an option for grid origin, datum will be always world, you can change that datum also. There is an option for underside of base plates, there is a clearance you can provide for underside of the base plate, that option is also available. And then you can start creating the east spacing, north spacing and elevation. So what we are trying to basically do is we are trying to basically design a 3D structure for the regular structure. Okay, so east spacing, in east and north spacing the process is same. Zero will be always first, and then you have to give first interval for that. So we are making it 3000 first interval, second interval is 4000, again I am making 3000, and then 2000, and then 3000 as a last. Okay, in north we are not going that much, we will be doing it 5000 and 7500. Now here what we need to understand is, after 0 first interval will be at 3000, after 3000 4000 will be added for the next interval, and after 4000 again 3000 will be added in the next interval. Okay, so every column will have that distance in between. Okay, this is for east and north. For elevation there is different, whatever value you give, that will be a defining level for the elevation. So in elevation also I am going with two options, that is 7,000, 5,000 and 7,500. Two elevation levels for my plan. So this is whatever level you give, that level you will get one section. Okay, so one level will be at every value which we are providing. Okay, then there is a trim sections at P lines option. If you don't tick this on, your sections will not be trimmed. There will be intersection between beams and columns. So it is always preferable to have it on, and then you can go for preview. And in preview, you can easily check what is basically your section is look like. Okay, so if you observe, this distance is 3,000, then 4,000, again 3,000, 2,000, and then 3,000 according to east spacing. North spacing is 5,000 and 7,500. So this 7,500 is added after 5,000. That is the difference. And for elevation, this highest value 7,500 is the one elevation and 5,000 is the other elevation. Okay, so if you want to change that, we will change that to 10,000, and again check preview, height will be increased. So that is not cumulative, sorry, that is not cumulative, that is the total sections and divided into number of sections. Okay, so 10,000 is the highest, and at 5,000 you will get one level for modification. So I am changing it to 6,000 now, preview, and it is getting lifted by 1,000, and I am saying apply to make sure that each section will be created. It will take some time depending upon your processor. The section or special structure will be created. Now the task is deleting the unwanted part. So you can use these spatial structures to create a standard structures, and then you can use delete sections option to delete the components. So I am just selecting a component, or keeping off the model editor, and I am deleting that one section. I don't want this also. Okay, you can try multiple deletes also by listing different things. I am not using that option right now. So what I am trying to do is I am trying to define our structure. We don't want these to be in standard structure. Our design is going to be somewhat different. We don't want this to be on top. So what I am now changing is, this is the complete one section. Now I need to trim it. I will go to modify sections split. Okay, I will go for current element, and I will pick section to split. I will select this section and say trim split, and then I will delete it. Okay, same thing we will do it for this side also. Trim split, and we will delete that section. Okay, so what basically I am trying to do is, this structure will have two heights at two levels, and at the center I am changing the level that structure is not required. Okay, so manually for each section this structure will take a lot of time, but special structures provide this option to make it fast, and then you can modify those sections to get the whatever section you want. Okay, so this is the regular structure which you can create using a standard structure options in spatial structures, create sections, spatials, and in spatials we have tried today a rectangular regular section, not rectangular section, sorry, regular sections. Okay, so these are the options. This is the simple option which is available to create a complex structure in one go, in one command. Also there is a storage area options is also available, so you can store columns and beams in different storage areas so that you can manage those effectively. Those options are also available. So this is what I want to discuss in this video. If you like the content, do share and subscribe my channel. Check out all the playlists which are available for the AVEVA PDMS. Keep following for latest updates. Thank you for joining.